Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. So, in this video I talk about Lairds theory of multisensory. This will be a series of videos on different teaching and learning theories. According to Laird, when a student uses all their senses, it stimulates an enhanced state of learning. Students will learn quickly and efficiently. So, the 5 senses are touch, hear, taste, sight and smell. Imagine we learn without being stimulated whatsoever. That would be a very dull lesson. Students will not feel motivated to learn or return to that lesson. Another learning style that students respond well to is the Vac method. Vac stands for visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Some students are visual learners. They learn better through imagery, whilst other students learn better through hearing or reading out loud. Finally, there are other learners who like to move around and enjoy demonstrating. So in terms of learning, would students feel better stimulated through watching a game rather than actually taking part in the game and play the game? I think students would prefer to play the game, then analyze the game and write about their experiences. This is what Laird means when talking about multisensory learning. Learners who learn through touch can touch something, in this case, for example, using a gaming controller. This will enhance the learning experience. Learners who learn through sound can listen to podcasts or work in group discussions. Food is a good motivator for learners who learn through taste. Watching videos, YouTube, or learning through watching demonstrations can help learners who are visual learners.